What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video. It's Dipen from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Number 1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Today, we're talking all things NinjaPipe, an AI-powered CRM sales and project management platform that helps you track all your customers, finances, and projects. NinjaPipe is designed to manage all your leads, pipeline, and deals across desktop and mobile. The sales dashboard integrates with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, making it easy to monitor your finances. So things like income trafficking, budgeting, and total revenue. Think you can't nurture leads and streamline sales processes in your sleep? Well, think again. NinjaPipe's automation workflow designer lets you create triggers and conditional actions for every event in your CRM. So you can set up workflows that automatically follow up with new contacts added from WhatsApp or SMS. Or how about automatically generating a quote for every new deal in your pipeline? You can even automate appointment settings. With time-based triggers, NinjaPipe can generate messages and provide scheduling links to contacts via email or SMS. That way, you never miss a sales opportunity. While we're on the topic, this lifetime deal is a great opportunity to get NinjaPipe for your entire sales team. Everything you need in one CRM. You'll get access to a complete customer relationship management platform with over 55 features to manage your leads and clients. Connect this platform to your online store or sales funnel to import customer and prospect data. Create custom fields and sales pipelines to accommodate your business needs. Streamline your contacts with labels or groups, and even create branded client portal. Schedule appointments with AI. NinjaPipe's AI appointment feature lets you message new leads and schedule meetings automatically, so nothing falls through the cracks. Choose how your AI interacts with leads by entering sample text and guidelines. Integrate meeting calendar tools like Calendly, Tidical, OnsiHub, and more. Build your own automated workflows. Stop wasting time on busy work. This platform makes it easy to build automated sequences to tackle all your recurring tasks. Set up triggers and activation conditions to build sequences for events in your CRM. Deploy a variety of action, like sending an SMS or email, scheduling appointments, and more. Use the automation recipes feature to create automations with pre-designed templates. Track your revenue. Best of all, NinjaPipe lets you monitor your business finances from a single dashboard designed to give you transparent insight to your growth. Track your income and expenses to keep tabs on what's flowing in and out of your business. Manage your products and services to see info like best sellers or large expenses at a glance. Generate invoices and automate them so you get paid on time. NinjaPipe gives you everything you need to manage all your sales and client data from one powerful, user-friendly platform. All you got to do is click that Buy Now button to lock in your lifetime access to NinjaPipe today.